Even in today's video we will see how to set up T-Mobile Wi-Fi calling, enable and configure it on any phone. First, how to set up T-Mobile Wi-Fi calling. To set up T-Mobile Wi-Fi calling, you must first register your E911 emergency address on your My T-Mobile account to avoid activation error such as REG09 error. On registered, contact your device to be a stable Wi-Fi network and follow the steps below your specific phone operating system. Now, how to enable Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. To set up pathway on iOS varies slightly depending on your software version. First one, iOS 18 and newer. So open the settings, then click on app, now click on phone. Then click on Wi-Fi calling and toggle Wi-Fi calling to this iPhone. To on, then select enable. The iOS 17 and older versions, you can open settings, then cellular, and now Wi-Fi calling toggle and Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone to on and confirm. Note for dual SIM users. If you run multiple lines, verify that you select the correct T-Mobile lines under your cellular settings before toggling the feature. Next one, how to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. So, Android menus differ from manufacturer, but you can always find the settings quickly by opening the settings and using the search bar to search for Wi-Fi calling. Alternatives, use this manual device pathway. For Samsung Galaxy devices, open the settings app, then click on connection. Now select Wi-Fi calling and toggle is switched to on and set up calling preferences to Wi-Fi preferred. Now for Google Pixel and stock Android devices, you can open the settings, then click on network and internet. Then tap SIMs and select your active T-Mobile network and scroll down and select Wi-Fi calling and switch it to on. Now select calling preferences and set it to call over Wi-Fi. Once activated, look for a Wi-Fi calling status icon or network banner such as T-Mobile Wi-Fi in your phone notification bar to verify it is running. If you run into connection drop while setting this up, you can reference this official T-Mobile support troubleshooting page to diagnose router or network profile block. Goodbye and thanks for watching.